Looking for the best e-bike conversion kit in the market? In this video, I listed top 5 e-bike conversion kit of 2023. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. NBpower 135 mm Dropout 90 km/h max speed electric bike motor wheel kit 48 volts 72 volts 3000 W e-bike conversion kit Sine wave controller. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Check description below for product link. Number 4. NBpower 135 mm Dropout 72 volts 3000 W e-bike motor wheel kit electric bicycle conversion kit with UKC1 display sine wave controller. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 3. Voilamart electric bike conversion kit 26-inch 48 volts 1000 W electric bicycle conversion kit front rear wheel e-bike hub motor kit. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 2. EBike Fat conversion kit rear rotate wheel 72 volts 3000 W electric motor hub motor for electric bicycle conversion kit 26-inch. Orders. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Number 1. E-bike conversion kit 36 volts 350 W 500 W 48 V 1000 W 1500 W 2000 W e-bike brushless front rear hub motor bike wheel kit bicicleta electrica. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Specifications. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.